Welcome to implementing time-based effects in Logic digital audio recording software. This lesson will show how to properly route time-based effects such as reverbs, echoes, flangers, and choruses in the Logic recording software. This will allow us to add depth and dimension to our audio mixes as well as create special effects. So let's get started. Oftentimes in Logic we will insert plugins on channels to add dynamic effects such as gates, compressors, or equalizers on individual channels. Because these dynamic effects vary from channel to channel, they must be applied individually. Time-based effects, such as reverbs and delays, are treated differently according to their application. If a time-based effect is used as an ambient effect, that is, recreating a room sound, you may have several input channels sharing the same type of effect. The purpose of this is to have the instruments or vocals to be perceived as being in the same room. Placing a time-based effect on several keyboards could be achieved by putting a reverb on each one. However, any reverb parameter adjustments made on one channel would have to be made on each individual channel in order for the keyboards to sound as though they were in the same room. Plus, using an abundance of time-based effects can eat up valuable processing power. By sending all keyboards to one time-based effect, we only have to adjust the effect settings of one effect as opposed to many, making the effect more homogeneous and more convenient to control. We begin by creating a stereo aux track in our session. Then we insert a time-based effect on that track. Let's use a reverb for ambience. Next, we select which bus is going to feed that effect, which is the input for that aux track. Let's use bus 11. Now to put the reverb effect on our keyboards, we simply send each channel to bus 11. Then we adjust the individual bus send levels as needed. We will start with them all at nominal level. As we bring up the aux track level, we are now increasing the level of reverb from all keyboard tracks at once. This allows us to blend the amount of reverb that we want on all the keyboards with just one fader. Special effects on one or more channels can be achieved by the same process. The effects can then be faded in or out or punched in by muting and unmuting the aux track the effect is set up on. Choosing the proper type of time-based effect routing will not only help you to more efficiently achieve the desired effect, but will help simplify the workflow in a mix session. Let the Logic software work for you so that you can focus on creating music.